In this video, we're comparing two powerful AI writing tools, Writesonic and Copy.ai, to help you choose the right one for your content needs. Writesonic is a versatile writing assistant built for users who need a wide range of content types. Whether you're writing blog posts, SEO articles, product descriptions, or social media content, Writesonic offers structured templates, SEO tools, and a user-friendly interface to help you create long-form and short-form content efficiently. It's ideal for bloggers, digital marketers, and small businesses who want content that ranks well on search engines while staying engaging and well written. On the other hand, Copy.ai is designed for speed and creativity in short form content. It shines when it comes to writing ad copy, social media captions, product descriptions, and email blurbs. With an extremely simple interface and minimal input needed, Copy.ai helps busy marketers and entrepreneurs generate quick, catchy content that connects with audiences fast. When should you choose Writesonic? If you're producing long form content, need SEO optimized articles, or want more customization and flexibility, Writesonic is your go to tool. It's especially useful for content creators and businesses looking to publish high quality, search friendly material at scale. When should you go with Copy.ai? If you're focused on creating short form marketing content and want a fast, creative output with minimal effort, Copy.ai delivers. It's perfect for generating social media posts, product blurbs, and ads quickly and easily. In summary, Writesonic is best for deep content creation across multiple formats, while Copy.ai excels in short form, high impact writing with a quick turnaround. Choose the one that fits your workflow, or try both to see which one works best for your brand. Thanks for watching.